Example 2 still has us focusing on parallelograms. It asks us to find the area of the parallelogram, but we're going to find both the perimeter and the area for both of these problems. We're going to do both because they're a little different. So looking at 2A, again, remember perimeter is just adding up all the sides, but in order for us to do that, you're going to have to recall your special triangles in order to make these work. So the first one, this is your 45, 45, 90 triangle. Remember where we had x square root of 2. And then 2B, you're actually going to need a 30, 60, 90 triangle as well. Up here, where you have x square root of 3, and 2x. I'm going to have to erase those so that way I can keep the picture in the pictures up here. But I would take a second to jot those down so you can hopefully follow along while we use these in our problems. Okay, so looking at 2A, we're going to find the perimeter and we're going to find the area of this thing. Okay, so starting with the perimeter, remember perimeter is adding up all the sides. So since this side up here at the top is 17, this bottom portion down here should also be 17. As far as this side length goes over here, well, 9 is your leg. You're going from the leg to the hypotenuse, so you need to multiply by the square root of 2. So you have 9 square root of 2 over here and 9 square root of 2 over here. So for your perimeter, you're going to take 17 plus 17 plus 9 square root of 2 plus 9 square root of 2. And that will give you a perimeter of approximately 59.5 yards. And then as far as your area goes, your area is still the base times height. Your base is 17. And your height is this perpendicular one. Remember, a 45, 45, both legs are congruent, so this side, or this height, should also be 9. So you're going to take 17 times 9, and that will get you a value of 153 yards squared. And there's both your perimeter and your area. Going on to 2B, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find a perimeter and an area of this one as well. Scroll down just a little bit. For this one, you know that the bottom is 32. So I'm going to have 32 plus 32 for a portion of it. On your 30, 60, 90 triangle now, they give you the short leg, so they gave you x. You're trying to get to the hypotenuse, so you need to double it. 12 times 2 is 24. So these side lengths here are 24. 32 plus 32 plus 24 plus 24. That is going to get you a perimeter of 112 meters squared. As far as your area goes, you're going to take your base, which is 32, times your height. You're going to have to find it using your 30, 60, 90 triangle as well. You're going from the 12, which is x, to your height, which is x squared root of 3. So 12 times square root of 3 is 12 square root of 3 as your height. You're going to multiply those together. When you take those and multiply them, you're going to get 665.1 meters squared, which will get you your area of your parallelogram.